Hey guys, it's Jeff here and welcome to Dark Horror Games. We are back and looks like we got some new games on here. So let's check them out, shall we? We got Silent Hill Final Red Competition. So we're going to do that game and then we're going to figure out other games to do too. Yeah! Let's do this. I love horror games. Horror games are cool to play and also scary at times too. And I have this at 100% volume so you all can hear everything. And then we can, I don't know if I should turn out, no, I shouldn't turn out the lights because you guys wouldn't be able to see me. I'd have to move my screen back and forth over and over again. Okay, in the next video we'll turn out all the lights. But luckily I got this thing to work. I'm surprised it's actually recording while I'm talking. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's play. This looks different. Very different. Okay, ooh, okay, let's play.
My name is Nathan Wales. 9 years ago, I committed a terrible sin. People died because of me. People I knew. People I loved. Satan had me in the palm of his hand.
Shouldn't move my mic.
But then, out of nowhere, a man came and showed me the light. He forgave me, took care of me, taught me about forgiveness and salvation. He was my shining savior in the bitter cold darkness. I was reborn.
Sorry.
Now,
I have a habit of doing that a lot.
I have learned from my mistakes, and I am going to visit him, Father Vincent, my savior, in the town of Silent Hill.
Silent Hill. If you guys haven't seen my video of Silent Hill, the other one, I'll put it down in the description below. Okay, let's get, what is it? The road leads to Silent Hill, the place where Father Vincent lives. Let's go. Okay. The road continues ahead. Anything we can click on? No? Okay. A rusty pickup truck. The owner should really get it a new paint job. Okay, so almost there. What's up with all the fog though? It didn't look like it's 9 years old. I have no idea what this dirt side road leads to. The fog is too thick. I don't think it would be wise to proceed. Darn it. I wanted to go there! Oh, come on! Alright. Please don't be jump scared. This road leads to Blue Creek apartment. I used to live there before I moved out of town and away from Father Vincent. This road leads to Stella's Church, the place where I was reborn, I am almost guaranteed that Father Vincent will be there waiting for me with open arms just like he did back then. So, the door's locked. Again? I don't like these things. The door is locked. I need the church key. Where do we get the church key? We have to go down this way. Oh boy. Okay, so we need an apartment key and a church key. There's a window up there. Okay, so we gotta figure this out again. I don't know. Okay. That banging noise. There's a way we can go there. Come on. Never mind. Pretend I didn't ask. Okay. I'll be right back with this. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry. My sister called me when I was trying to record. And she wants to come over, but I told her that she stressed me out, so I'm not letting her come over. And I'm getting tired of it. So now I'm stress eating, and I'm getting depressed. Let's just get on with this video. Okay? Alright, so we need to look for a church key and then an apartment key. Okay, let's search over here. Anything in the bushes? Oh, look. Oh. I picked up the apartment key. Okay, well, we found the apartment key. That's not the apartment. Whoops. Here it is. Alright. Okay, it's a picture of Toluca Lake during the summer. It looks so different from now. Wait, whoa, I didn't read that. The stairway leads to the second floor where I used to live in room 6. The door won't budge. The door is blocked. The door is locked. There's a nasty smell coming from the other side of the door. The door has no handle. This is room 6, my old place. I think I forgot my wallet in there. We found the church key. Just some old magazines, nothing interesting. That looks like your wallet, dude. Oops. That picture Father Vincent painted for me, truly work of art. Alright. Oh, Jesus! Holy mackerel! I think my heart stopped. That is scary. Oh my God! I literally have a tear falling. That thing scared me. I didn't know what it was. I couldn't see it clearly. Oh my God. Nope, it's still beating. Okay. Still beating. I'm fine. Good. We should have gone out of that place in the first... We should have gone out of there in the first place. Play again. Okay. Silent Hill. Silent Hill. Go over here. Get the key. Okay, we got it. Ah, my heart hurts. Don't do that. Scary bastard. Bitch. You bitch. Oh! Stay away from me. I don't want you. Let's get... No, we're leaving. We're leaving. Alright, we're not going back in there. The old church cross has been here for over 17 years. I don't feel like going in there. The altar. I remember spending a lot of time here. Ooh. Okay. I removed the cloth from the altar table, revealing an old pattern. Stop whispering. Guys, oh, this door leads downstairs. Just pray to God for a while. Oh my god. This is so creepy. That scared me like my ribs. Don't do that! Okay. Okay, close my eyes. These stairs lead to the second floor. I'm too scared to go. Let's just go. Okay, go. I am not doing, no way. No way am I doing that. No. No. This is the door to Father Vincent's office. He told me to never go in there. Is that a diary? A closet. I wonder if Father Vincent's personal belongings are in there. Let's read the diary first. Oh, my sides! Oh, they hurt. August 4th. It has now been 2 weeks since the incident. I have been I'm trying to read! You stupid game. Observing the boy at the close range, and he seems to have settled down and gotten calmer. He has also begun talking to me and wishes to learn more about the alignmently himself. So overall, the process is producing better than I thought it would. The boy is turning out to be quite a character. Will you shut up, you stupid game? Oh my god. Okay, so, next page? How many pages is there? Okay, so, we're on August 19th. Okay, so, we have to pick this up in the next video. I hope you guys liked it. Please tap that like button. If you're new, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you killers in the next video. Bye-bye!